Hey everybody, how's it going? So today we got a quick guess what's in the box video. This is an item I picked up from eBay. It is for the 2000 limited 4x4 4Runner. You could use it on any 4Runner that is of 1996 to 2002. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Alright, so this is just going to be a quick guess what's in the box video. I did get this from eBay. Gentleman on eBay was really nice. Let me go grab my phone. He is just one of those people that tries his best to help you the best you can. He had an item for sale that I bought not because I needed it, but because these 2000 4Runners are getting harder to find internal parts for, especially like interior parts and stuff like that. So I bought it just to have it. Who knows, I might switch it out. It should be a little bit darker than what the Limited has in color. But the eBay seller is Z240 Dude. Great guy. He's got lots of things for sale. Door handles, all kinds of stuff for sale. 2000 4Runner and Tacoma sun visors, driver passenger, left hand right hand tan, 100% tested OEM. It's got brackets and mounts and everything. Excellent condition with only minor wear. This is the cloth vinyl style. But he's got lots of stuff. I'm assuming he likes 240Zs, to be honest. Which is nothing wrong with that. Nissan 240Cs and even Datsun 240Zs are nice. But, you know, he's an all in all really nice guy. His name is Norman. Was super helpful. He offered to sell me other items as well. He's like, hey, I got some items that aren't physically listed. Would you like me to send you some photos and, you know, let me know if you need them or not, or you want to purchase them later. So he was really nice. This box is 8 1/8. Nope, 8 1/4 inch wide by 10 1/4 inch long. And it is 6.5 inches deep. You guys let me know what you guys think it is. It is an interior part. It's like a paneling part. It could be front moonroof console with the dome lights. It could be with the and that also has the sunglass holder. It could be dome lights that go to the roof. Could be dash pieces, could be handles, could be all kinds of things. You guys let me know what you think is in the box. Leave the comment down below. That's all I'm going to do on this video. It's just a quick video. I want to give shout out to 240Z Dude. He's an awesome guy. He's very helpful. Thank you so much for the parts so far, Norman. It's very much appreciated. Everything else, you guys, I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and hopefully I'll see you guys on the next video. Please like, comment, subscribe, smush the bell notification icon for future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. And I hope to see you guys on the next one. You guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day. Peace!